moving to a new home? One of your first tasks should be updating your address with your bank. Today, I'm walking you through how to change it quickly in your Bank of America online profile. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Updating your address is crucial for receiving statements, new cards, and other important mail, and it helps protect you from fraud. The process is done entirely in your profile settings. Log into your online banking, either on the website or in the app. Navigate to Profile and Settings, and find the Address section. Here, you can edit your mailing address and your legal residence. Enter your new address carefully and save the changes. You may be asked to verify your identity again for security. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: update your address before you move. This ensures any mail, including your debit card or tax forms, is sent to the right place from the start. It's much easier than dealing with forwarded mail or lost documents. So, just like that, you've checked an important task off your moving list. What's the biggest hassle you faced when forgetting to update your address with a company? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.